Welcome to Sled Check. On the last episode, we took a look at tracks that are going to work best for your riding style. This week, we're going to dive in and show you guys how to get that track on your sled. Let's get to it. All right, so we've gone ahead and removed the side cover on our snowmobile. Keep this in mind, all sleds will be a little bit different, but the process is going to be pretty much the same. On today's episode, we're gonna show you how to get down to the chain case on this sled, and we'll show you the steps it takes to get there. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start by removing the battery and the battery mount. Now, keep in mind, we're gonna make sure that we pull off the negative cable first, just so we don't short anything out on the snowmobile. Let's go ahead and get into this teardown. Okay, so we've gone ahead and removed the battery out of the snowmobile. Next up, we're gonna be removing the exhaust can. Now, in order to do so, we're gonna be removing the sensor as well as a couple springs. Now, if you have not picked one of these up, you're definitely gonna want to. This is a spring puller tool. Dennis Kirk sells a wide variety of these, and it's going to change your life. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this battery bracket out of the way so we can get right into the chain case. All right guys, we got that battery bracket out of the way. Now on this particular model, we do have a sensor right here, so let's go ahead and unplug that now. Great, now that we got that done, we should have oil inside of our chain case. So what we got here is just a little piece of cardboard. We're gonna go ahead and slip that underneath the chain case itself. And what that's gonna do is funnel down that oil into our oil pan. So let's go ahead and take that cover off. All right guys, we've gone ahead and gotten everything out of the way and made it down to our chain case. If you're interested in the tools we used in today's job, that's gonna be listed in the description box down below. Don't forget to tune in next time when we dive a little deeper on this track removal. I'm Dylan with Dennis Kirk. This is Sled Check. Thanks for watching.
Sound production, take one.
Welcome to Sled Check. On the last episode, we were taking a look at slacks that work great for your pants. The end goal here is going to be getting down to our crankcase. So that's going to, chain case. All right, so the place we're gonna go ahead and start this teardown is going to be with the battery. Now when removing the battery, make sure to remove the positive off first. It's going to give you a good zap. You're gonna love it. All right, so we went ahead and we got that cover off. Let's see, the crankcase cover.
Crankcase.
Crankcase. Chain case, thank you.